In this video, I am going to demonstrate one of the most important performance optimization concept in Jetpack Compose, which is derivedStateOf. First, I am creating the without derived UI composable. Here, I am using a dummy state with launch effect which increment every 1 second. इसका main purpose सिर्फ recomposition को trigger करना है. I also have a count state which is incremented on button click. Now calculating is even directly using count mode 2 and I am logging the calculation in Logcat. This setup will help us understand how often this calculation runs during recomposition. Now I am copying the exact same code into another composable called with derived UI. UI same है, states भी same है और dummy recomposition भी same है ताकि comparison बिल्कुल fair रहे. Here is the only change I am making. Instead of directly calculating is-even, now I am wrapping it inside remember with derivedStateOf. लॉजिक सेम ही रहेगा बट अब ये वैल्यू एफिशिएंटली ऑब्जर्व होगी सिर्फ अपने डिपेंडेंट स्टेट पर. नाउ आई एम रनिंग द एप्लीकेशन. ऑन द स्क्रीन यू कैन क्लियरली सी टू सेक्शंस विदाउट derivedStateOf ऑन टॉप एंड विद derivedStateOf बिलो. दोनों का आउटपुट सेम है, काउंट इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है और इवन रिजल्ट भी सेम आ रहे हैं. नाउ लेट्स ऑब्जर्व द Logcat बिहेवियर. For the without derivedStateOf section, you can see that the log is printing continuously. हर second हर composition पे even when the count value doesn't change. But for the with derivedState section, the log is printed only when I click the button and change the count. This clearly proves that the derivedStateOf does not stop recomposition, but it prevents unnecessary recalculation during recomposition. You should use derivedStateOf whenever a value is derived from another state and composition is happening frequently. For example, when you are calculating some total calculation of cart, items, discount, filtering, sorting. Okay. If you want to enable or disable visible or invisible some elements on UI based on scroll etc. मतलब जब कोई कंप्यूटेड वैल्यू किसी और स्टेट पर डिपेंड करती है वहाँ पर derivedStateOf बेस्ट चॉइस होता है. You should avoid using derivedStateOf when the value is static. The calculation is very simple or when the state is already coming directly from your view model. In such case, remember is already sufficient और derivedStateOf यूज़ करना unnecessary complexity create करेगा. In real production applications, derivedStateOf is widely used in the apps like e-commerce, fitness, finance, food delivery and so on. So to summarize, derivedStateOf does not change your UI result, but it significantly improves your calculation efficiency during recomposition. Whenever you are computing a value from another state and recomposition happens frequently, derivedStateOf is the correct and optimized way to do it.